Hi there, I'm Liam, and welcome to Fynlo. In this video, I'll show you how to remove or replace item images in your invoices using Fynlo's Invoice Designer. Step 1. Open the Invoice Designer. From your Fynlo dashboard, go to Income, then Invoices. Open the invoice you want to edit, click the drop-down menu, and select Design to open the Invoice Designer. On the left side, navigate to Invoice Settings. Here, you'll see options to enable or disable the item image. Step 3. Remove or replace the image. To remove the image, toggle the display option off or hover on the image and select Delete. To replace the image, click Replace and select the file you want. Repeat for each item as needed. And that's it! With Fynlo, you can keep your invoices clean, professional, and visually up to date. Check the link in the description for the full step-by-step guide.